You know, most collectors don't realize this, but the way you store your coins can raise or destroy their value faster than the market ever will. And what's even crazier is that there's one mistake almost everyone makes without noticing. We'll get to that in a moment. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why two identical coins from the same year, same mint, and same condition can end up with totally different prices at auction? While we get into this, take literally 2 seconds to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps the channel more than you think, and you won't miss the guides we've got coming. Now here's where a lot of people change their minds. The dark tones, the soft shades, that slightly aged look, that's patina. Patina is a thin layer of chemical change that forms naturally on metals over decades. On copper, it can be brown or greenish. On silver, you'll see golden, gray, or even blue tones. It's made from reactions with the environment: oxygen, sulfur, moisture. Collectors love patina because it proves the coin hasn't been tampered with. But artificial patina? That gets spotted instantly. Experts look for uneven color, patches where chemicals pooled, or surfaces that look too uniform. If it looks forced, it's game over. Artificial patina is one of the fastest ways to kill a coin's credibility. So how do you protect your coins the right way? Start with stable environments. Coins hate rapid temperature changes, and they hate humidity even more. That's why many collectors use airtight holders or capsules, not the cheap plastic that smells like vinyl. Those release chemicals that can stain coins forever. Look for archival-safe material like mylar or acrylic. If you're storing silver or copper, silica gel packs are extremely helpful because they keep moisture down inside coin boxes. And whatever you do, avoid touching coins with your fingers. The oils stay there permanently and can turn into dark spots over time. Collecting isn't just about finding rare pieces. It's about keeping them alive. And if you want to take the next step toward creating truly valuable collections, I recommend evaluating the pieces you already own so you can properly care for them. See you in the next video.